Hi and welcome to the second scenario of the Secure Cloud Managed Branch dcloud demo, Secure Access. This scenario will help you demonstrate the powerful security features of the MX Security Appliance, which create multi-layer security for the network access. We will see how Dashboard Security Center provides an overview of security events and how it helps us take steps to protect the network. Creating multiple security layers is vital to protecting users' devices and data. MX Security Appliance provides a number of these layers through its threat protection set of features and integrations. Let's go to Security and SD-WAN, Threat Protection, and notice that we are still using the London network for this scenario. First on this list is Advanced Malware Protection, or AMP. AMP is a Cisco product natively integrated with Meraki MX. When AMP is enabled, whenever a file is being downloaded, AMP will calculate a file hash, which is used as a file identifier. The hash is checked against the library of known malicious files, and if a file is deemed malicious, it will be blocked. All it takes to enable AMP on the MX is to set the mode to enabled, and optionally whitelist URLs and files which are to be exempt from the AMP processing. The next layer of protection is provided by Threadgrid, which can protect the network from malicious files whose disposition is not yet known by AMP. Files of unknown disposition can be uploaded to Threadgrid, which is a sandboxing environment for examining these files. Now, Threadgrid is a separate Cisco product and gives users access to its own dashboard. The integration is enabled under Organization Settings, and here you can see that the integration has already been enabled and that our license allows for up to 1100 daily file submissions. Whilst AMP and Threadgrid protect our branch by examining files, intrusion detection and prevention protects the branch from unusual network flows with malicious signatures. Meraki's intrusion detection and prevention is based on Cisco's implementation of Snort. When used in detection mode, the information on potential intrusions will be detected, but no action will be taken. On the other side, in prevention mode, suspicious network flows will not only be detected, but they will also be blocked. There are 3 rule sets enabling operators to adjust the sensitivity of the Snort engine. We will protect the users at the branch at the DNS level as well by leveraging Cisco Umbrella. There are 2 ways in which Umbrella can be integrated with Meraki. Manual integration gives users full access to Umbrella dashboard. If you're interested in manual integration of Cisco and Meraki, we cover that in another dcloud demo, Secure Cloud Managed Wi-Fi. If you're interested, please do check out that dcloud demo as well. The London network does not use the manual Umbrella integration. Instead, we use the integration with MR access points through Wireless Advanced License, and for that reason, the MX integration on this network is disabled. To protect the wireless client at the DNS layer, go to Wireless, Firewall and Traffic Shaping. Make sure that you are looking at the settings for the Corp SSID. Under the Umbrella section, you can choose the Umbrella policy that will apply to connected wireless clients. With Umbrella Wireless Advanced License, the operator does not have access to Umbrella dashboard and can only select one of these predefined Umbrella policies. This is in contrast with the previously mentioned manual integration. As manual integration gives full access to Umbrella dashboard, users can define and fine-tune their own policies. To find out more about these predefined policies, you can go to documentation.meraki.com and search for Umbrella, and go to the document covering MR Advanced Upgrade License, where you can find what exactly these predefined policies entail. We have the moderate appropriate use filtering applied to our SSID. If a wireless user tries to access a dating site, for example, the DNS request will not be resolved. Notice that in addition to the moderate appropriate use filtering, we're also using the security filtering. That means that any DNS request for known malicious sites will also remain unresolved. Now that we protected the access at our branch, let's see all these different security layers in action by examining Security Center. There are 2 Security Center pages that you can look at. The first one is found under Security and SD-WAN Security Center. This page will show security events detected by the MX at our London network. Security Center that we will look at is found under Organization, Security Center. And this page not only shows events for London network, but for all of our deployment. And in addition to the events related to the MX security appliance, it also shows the MRDNS events, which come from our umbrella integration with the MR access points. Let's first examine MRDNS events. You can filter these events based on the reason for which the DNS was left unresolved. Looking at the security events, we can, for example, see that internetbadguys.com was blocked because it is recognized as a phishing website. Let's take a quick look at our content-related events. And here we can see that National Lottery website was blocked because it's a gambling website and our umbrella policy does not allow access to such type of content. Taking a closer look at the MX summary page, we can see which are our most affected networks, most affected clients, and most prevalent threats. We can easily take action to isolate clients which have high level of security problems. For example, there have been 93 events relating to the client Helen Beasley. We can go to this clients page, and here we can choose to apply a blocked group policy, which will block all network access for this client, that way shielding the rest of the network. That brings us to the end of this scenario, where we have shown how you can effectively protect the access at the branch by applying multi-layered security, and also took a closer look at the Security Center, which provides us with visibility into security events. Thank you and happy demoing.